slumped off the back, because I'm about that. Bye-bye. Slumped again. Oh! Flash Raiders!
Hold on.
Watch back, brother. I'm about to smite this mighty foe. Fuck. He's spinning around me, brother.
He can smite. You think he can smite thee?
I shall smite thee with thy mighty lollipop. Oh shit. Bro, no.
Brother!
Oh shoot. I live to fight another day.
I'm beyond the grave.
Goodbye, my nigger. Back to the lobby.
I was the mightiest warrior in my clan. I just got hit with the dark horse. No, I'm gone, bro. They killed me with that one.
Bitch.
Hey! By the frying pan from Duck Vader.
Duck Vader.
Jesus. That rabbit, he killed me. I believe in him. Dang! I changed my mind. I did not believe in him. I was just trying to give suspense to the scenario. Shay! Oh shoot, that's you. I got you, homie. Oof! Damn! Yo, brother!
I got you.
I got the grip. Oh, I do no longer have the grip. I no longer have the grip. I shall go slump thee. He just killed himself. That ghost just killed himself.
Damn. No, brother!
I shall slump the Duck Vader.
You gotta do this for me, brother.
Shoot.
You gotta do this for me.
Shoot. Come on. I lift it up. That's crazy.
Stay down, brother.
I hit him with the what?
Oh shit, brother.
He killed the dog, not me. I shall live.
I hit him with it, brother.
Oh! Drop kicked his ass.
Yes, brother.
Drop kicked his ass. Oh my lord, bro. Drop kicked his arse.